Hey there, welcome to Oliver. Today, we're diving into a hot topic: Java versus Kotlin for Android development. Are you confused about whether to go with Java or Kotlin for your Android projects? Then, you found this video at the right time. Both of these programming languages have gained popularity worldwide and are trusted by countless developers. For the longest time, Java was the go-to language for Android development, being Google's preferred choice. But in 2019, a new contender stepped into the ring: Kotlin. It earned Google's endorsement as a preferred language for Android app creation. So, what makes these languages stand out, especially when it comes to crafting Android apps? One of Kotlin's standout features is its syntax. You'll need way fewer lines of code compared to Java, leading to cleaner and more readable programs. This streamlined approach also helps spot bugs and glitches more easily, ensuring top-notch code quality. Kotlin isn't just efficient, it's also a breeze to use. It sidesteps common pitfalls, and guess what? It plays nicely with existing Java libraries and frameworks. In 2019, Google gave Kotlin the golden ticket, naming it the Standard Integrated Development Environment (IDE) for Android projects. But hold on, you can still tag in both Java and Kotlin in the same project. Now, speaking of the old guard, Java boasts a bigger community, more support, and extensive documentation. That's a huge plus for beginners and heavyweight projects alike. Plus, Java dishes out smaller APKs. That means less memory gobbling for lightweight apps. So, in the battle of Java versus Kotlin, which one should you choose? Well, if you're looking for snappy development and clean code, Kotlin is your wingman. But for those intricate, sprawling projects, Java could be your ace in the hole, thanks to its larger developer pool. Looking ahead, it's a safe bet that in 5 to 10 years, the market could be swarming with more Kotlin experts than Java maestros. Thanks for tuning in to Oliver. For more enlightening reads, head over to our blog at olibr.com/blog. And hey, if you're on the hunt for exciting job opportunities, jump over to olibr.com and sign up. Until next time, happy coding!